Hi everyone, constructor brush, the one I constructed, as you can see, the white bristles instead of the one straight out of the box, and we've got a really good example here. This is going to be incredible. I can't wait to use it. Let's give this a good test with the sort of bristles I put on this configuration. Let's see what this comes out with. It's terribly grotty, but I think this will make mincemeat of that, so let's get cracking, eh? Wait. Oh, look at that. Love it. It's what you call a first cleaning course. Sliding across the glass really nicely. I just can't get over the pivot point. It's absolutely fantastic. I can even get in there. See, I can even work this way. I don't even have to bend down, look. You see? If you've got a fixed brush, which this can be locked off if you want for certain situations, but there really isn't any need. Hardly ever. It's like I just swivel it like this, look at this. It's almost like using a squeegee. I'm showing off now, I know what to make. Let's make sure this gets clean. Otherwise, you know all about top frames, it just runs on the glass and it's static. Okay, let's rinse this off now. You see how this rides over the frame? That centerpiece there.
So let me get a close up of that.
Is dirt cannot escape. The other side. Look at that, eh? That is amazing. It's awesome. Ooh. We're getting stuff from the tape from the top of the frame there. Okay. Right. You can rinse on, of course. Keep forgetting. At height, it doesn't matter so much when you're down here. You just do it with one hand. We split the ratchet pole, of course, because there's no need to have the full pole in your hand, especially when you've got this tube on the outside. But it just shows that you can rinse on the glass with the rinse bar above. You see it's leaking in. That shouldn't matter. On a first clean, sometimes you've got to use a lot more water. That's it.
You could clean this off here.
What's that? I can feel the stiff bit I put in the middle there, designed specially for this. You have to press harder, but the brush collapses onto these hard bristles and say goodbye to anything. And there you go, it's all gone. You know I can't stop even though I've got to go to work tomorrow. Lol. Now look at that. See those bristles there? Only the black ones. Look at that. I can't believe it how good that is. And swivel as well. Plus you don't really have to change the angle adapter very much because the angle there, it works anyway. It's the way it's been designed. Instead of being that very, very angular a lot of people will have, which then becomes awkward when you come down to work downstairs. You see, you've got to hold the pole closest to the window, so you always adjust to your angle adapter with this. You set it about there, you see how that's curved into the pole, beautifully designed. So even at height, you can see the angle. That's flat on the glass. This angle here is correct for most situations, you see, especially domestic. And even when you come downstairs, it's still correct. And you slip the pole. Absolutely unbelievable. I love it. I can't stop. I can't stop using this. That's my design anyway. Perhaps just a little bit too dense there. Look at the dirt on there coming off. That's from the bottom there, whatever that was on there. It's probably oil or something. So now I've got to clean the brush. Ah, damn. Job done.